Welcome everybody. Today we will be taking off some of the practices which are essential to recover mainly from post-COVID symptoms. Post-COVID symptoms are general body weakness, respiratory problems and low cardiac response. To some extent it also hurts the mid-back, which will be a signing of the heart issues. So today we are working on some of the very simple basic practices which you could do with the help of chair. So let us try to sit on a chair. To our body to make a triggered action, we have to do some movements. Some movements cover sideways bending, some movements cover forward bending, some movement covers twisting and inversions. So very firstly you try to sit here and pull the right leg up like this and get it down. So this one will try to help your stomach region to get stimulated. Post COVID, there will be a chances of slow metabolic process. So couple of times you try to move, you'll be triggering the right part where the liver and the intestine exist. Now post doing some couple of movements, try to make it at least 20 moves like this without touching the ground, and then fold the leg like this, get it closer to the stomach and reduce the distance between thighs and the stomach. Take your hands stretched up with elbows straight, neck up, and try to work on breathing here. So like this we will hold here and try to at least practice 5 rounds of breathing. Then you may release the hands, and once you want to check your breathing, you can check. There will be a total change in the left side of ribcage breathing, and let's try to repeat here for 20 times. So I shall show you a couple of times, but you have to make a note of moving for 20 times. So doing this way will kickstart the stomach glands activity. So these are all very simple basic postures. A little bit advanced I'll have to carry on in my next video. Now let's try to fold it and drag it closer and try to pump the stomach muscles towards the thighs and reduce the distance over there. Stretch your hands so that your rib cage will be pulled and stay here. Try to work on the breathing here. So breathing is for 5 times. If you get the cough immediately after doing this one, that's okay. You have to work again and again. That is a slow response of the lungs will react in that way. Then you may release here post 5 rounds of breathing. So keep your legs where the leg of the chair is. Rather than like this, we keep where the leg of the chair is. So keep your hands here, twist your back. If you are functional better, try to hold in some other corner, twist and look back. So this breaks down the stress whatever there in the backbone and flush your metabolic waste. Keep breathing deep and hold it. And then you come back. Post you come back, reach the ground and breathe here for a while. Taking longer inhale and exhale here. And try to repeat the same on the other side. Twist and look back. And come back. Release it. Next is, remember, calf engagement is one among the activity which will help a lot for heart muscles to get some amount of relaxation. So you have to engage your calf either by standing you can do or by sitting by chair. Lift the heel up and down. So this way of practice you may have to repeat it for 20 times. So immediately after COVID, where your lungs you feel 50% are only active, you must try at least these steps. And this is for first week. Second week I'll guide you another video. Next one, you have to lie down on the back, keeping the chair held like this. Get the chair closer towards you. Keep your legs on the chair and go closer. And here thighs are split apart. Rest on the back, breathe for a while here. As soon as you rest in this position, your stomach starts expanding. Now whoever complains their lower part of the lungs is not expanding, you have to rest in this position. Or if you feel your energy is very low, you must try this practice. This one approximately for 10 minutes you have to hold. Okay, now post you finish this, you have to do one inverted posture. So keep your chair like this. Inverted posture always help you for supplements of lungs to get feeded well. So the legs will be carried on the top of the chair, and then you try to hold here. And this one roughly around 5 to 10 minutes is good to hold. You can also hold more longer, but it is always helpful in case if you are rushing and you have to finish soon, stay in this position. This doesn't consume much energy, but though it is helpful for your breathing. And then you can gently come back. Carry on these small essentials, and I'll be coming back with my next video, which will be helpful for further weeks for lungs to become strong. Also adding one note, post COVID your energy levels, in order to regain back, there should be some amount of efforts which you have to put into, so that the life of your body should become more better. So thank you so much for watching video.